Hi, this is Ari from Actorio, and today we're going to take a look at how we filter false positives and how we adjust the options to display or hide them as we wish. So here we have the results. I take a look here, and the first thing I do, as always, is I compare the Amazon image to the supplier image, and I see that really they are not the same. It's a different product here. It looks like a printer cartridge, and here it's a microwave oven, so obviously not the same thing. So what I want to go over here on the left and hide the product. Now, as you can see, the product is not totally hidden, it's just grayed off. I can go and just hide all of this. Is also a false positive. Another one over here, and then another ones that I've already hidden before, and here already. This is a good match. So I have all of these that are crowding my viewing space. What I want to do here is completely hide them so I don't see them. So I go to my display preferences and I simply click hide suppressed products. As you can see, I can also show or hide any of the marketplaces over here. Let's say I am not interested in Holland, Poland, or Sweden, just as an example. I can go ahead and hide them, and that's it. I can see that immediately the first result is not a false positive, neither is the second, neither is the third, so all's good. Also, as you can see, all of the countries that are displayed here are only the countries that I selected.